Did you remember your first audition, when it happens, where it happens, how
Many
it
years
happens?
ago, I must be 16, 17. That time I had
The
auditioned.
best audition you gave still right now. I mean,
Best audition, there were many.
there are many.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pick the
Now
one.
I stopped giving auditions for the last
Of
10
course,
years.
you already proven that. So that's why I asked in the past.
But do you know one thing? Even after doing movies like Arya 2 and so many, I think 15, 20 movies, I actually was asked to audition for a movie called Garuda Vega in Telugu, where I played a journalist.
Yeah,
And,
yeah,
akkada,
yeah.
almost pure Telugu kavali for a journalist. So for that, he asked me to send 2 monologues of pure Telugu as a journalist for that role. So I was very surprised, but I gave it. Kani, I think beginning low, I have given lot of auditions. Yeah.
How crazy you are.
About
Yeah, anything. How crazy you are on those sets or in your life.
crazy.
How crazy you are. Set an example. I mean, give me an example how crazy you are.
Oh my God, what are these questions? I can't think right now on immediately. So at work, I try to be very professional, very professional at work. కానీ బయటికి కూడా ఐ మీన్ ఇలాంటివి ఏం క్రేజీ లేదు కానీ లైక్ ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ సమ్వన్ సంథింగ్ I can actually go and tell them openly. Like,
Okay.
if I want to, like, sometimes I can really be like that brave that I won't think if I want, like, ఎవరికి ఏమైనా చెప్పాలి అంటే నేను ఇమీడియట్లీ చెప్తుంటాను లేదంటే ఏం చెప్పలేదు అలాగే సో గట్స్ చాలా
Yeah, అదే ఇంకా
సమ్టైమ్స్ అదే
ఓకే
యా
సో పర్టికులర్గా గట్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయంటారు. సో కమింగ్ టు మూవీస్, సో I think it's tough to say no for the script selection or anything, right? How did you manage in this entire career?
So,
sometimes
చాలా మంది నాకు అడిగాను దట్ మీరు చాలా గ్యాప్ తర్వాత తెలుగులో ఒక మూవీ చేస్తున్నాను విచ్ ఇస్ రిలీజింగ్ ఇన్ థియేటర్స్. ద రీజన్ ఇస్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ దట్ యు నో లైక్ as you grow older or whatever, you want to do more scripts where you get more performance to do and little more full-fledged meaty roles kind of thing. So ade nenu consciously choose chesanu to say no to many things actually. So naku ippudu I can't anymore do something where like almost 20 people are there and I'm not doing anything in that frame. Alage I can't anymore do it, you know, I don't feel happy. So I just feel like oka screenplay nenu oka audience laga chuste, is it engaging throughout or not? Ade na kosam chala important. First as an audience naku ela anipinchindi ee script tarvata na role teeste aa movie tho will it make any difference? So like Parijata Parvamlo na role ledante you cannot make the film only.
Okay.
So I have started, you know, choosing roles which will make a difference to the film. Alage nenu choose chestanu. Yeah.
okay, and how spiritual you are? I mean, this is the tough, I think, tough field to manage everything, like facing the camera, facing the people comments, and maintaining everything.
Yeah, it's very hard.
It's very hard, right?
Yeah.
So how do you maintain? How do you cope up with these things?
సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తాను ఆబ్వియస్లీ స్పిరిచువాలిటీలో యూ హ్యావ్ టు బీ ఇన్ ఇట్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు యూ వర్క్ ఫర్ సో మెనీ ఇయర్స్ అండ్ బీ నార్మల్. లైక్ ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కూడా లైక్ యునో ఇన్ దిస్ లాస్ట్ ఫ్యూ డేస్ ఆల్సో చాలా ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ అయింది వేర్ నాకు చాలా టఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగాను మెనీ పీపుల్. సో అట్ దాట్ మూమెంట్ ఐ యూస్ టు గెట్ హర్ట్ or I would maybe go back and feel bad or cry or call my mom and tell her I felt bad. But I will not show, you know. Before I used to show in the interview only that I'm angry or I'm bad. Obviously that much maturity has come that I will not show it. Kani it hurts me, but tarvata then I feel like tomorrow is a new day and I think that okay, the reason why this journalist is asking me also because somebody has told them to ask this mean question to me. Only that question will get the viewer the TRP. You know, then I start thinking in that way that okay, this person has a reason to ask me this. Anduke otherwise the interview will be boring for them. Kani it also makes me reflect that you know okay, maybe I need to improve on this. That's why they are saying this. So I just keep it a balanced thing. But the first day when it happens, I'm not able to think because I'm so hurt that I'm not able to understand. But after 1, 2, 3 days, then I become more balanced. But the main point is that 1, 2 days of hurt to be passing that.
Okay.
Because people do stupid things when they are hurt and angry. Like they can't think. So to control yourself then requires you to be very, like you have to meditate every day. I spend like morning first 10 minutes and night like you know those 5-10 minutes breathing chanting, meditating, so that
You're still doing that. I mean,
yeah, I'm still following Buddhism for now almost
that's my
9
next
years.
question. What is Buddhism? I mean, how do you follow the regular thing? I mean, what is
So I
Buddhism?
chant every day at night and morning. Morning I chant for the whole day. I visualize it how I want my day to be.
Can I know detailingly? I mean,
So it's a chant called Nam-myoho Renge Kyo,
okay.
which I do for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour sometimes.
It gives you
2 hours.
relaxation?
Oh, it really helps you a lot. Like rather than going to a person with my problem, like
Okay.
ఒక person కి I don't go and call. నాకు ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే సాడ్నెస్ ఉంటే నేను ఎప్పుడు ఎవరికి కాల్ చేయలేను.
Okay.
సమ్టైమ్స్ ఐ డోంట్ ఈవెన్ టెల్ మై మదర్. ఓకే, కానీ నేను చాంటింగ్లో అన్నీ నా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చాంటింగ్లో చెప్తాను. లైక్ నా మైండ్లోకి నాకు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, ఈ ప్రాబ్లం, నాకు సొల్యూషన్
still
కావాలి,
it is
సొల్యూషన్ కావాలి,
mind,
సొల్యూషన్
right?
కావాలి. నో, అది చాంటింగ్ చేస్తాను, తర్వాత నా మైండ్లో ఆ ప్రాబ్లం చెప్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ డే ఆ ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ అవుతుంది. లేదంటే ఐ చేంజ్ ఆర్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ చేంజెస్. And then tarvata night ki, if I've had a great day, like in the morning I chant that, okay, this is how I want my day to go. It goes like that, exactly how I want it to. People tell me the things which I want them. And at night when I come back, I thank, like 5 minutes is only thanking, that thank you. This was a great day, exactly how I wanted it. So it just is my biggest anchor in life, this thing.
So coming to professionalism, I mean, sometimes it hurts in on-sets. Everyone will be hurts you, right, with their words or anything.
So
So, how tough it was to impact on your acting?
No. On an acting wise, on a set, nothing can impact me. Like even if if I just had a bad news coming to me, if I have to go and do a scene, I will do it. It cannot. That is my job. I have to do it. And there are so many people on that set who are investing money. And I got that opportunity with a lot of difficulty after struggling so much in life. So I understand the importance of that moment. So no matter what is happening there, I will see to it that I do my job properly. That is
Okay.
there. Yeah.
Can I know what is the Shraddha's background then now?
So I am from Mumbai,
Huh.
and my parents also are from Mumbai.
Okay.
And I've
But
been
you
a Bombay
speak
girl.
Bengali?
Bengali, yeah. Both my parents are Bengali.
Acha, acha, acha,
And I have done my journalism, and in my family everyone sings, so we all sing also. And I was going to be an engineer, but I had an accident in my 12th, because of which I changed my stream, went into journalism, and started auditioning for films, singing in shows. And then from there onwards, I got into this.
Nothing link up, brain.
No link up.
No link up.
Yeah.
So you did.
Nobody in my family is from a film. Nobody has ever seen a luxury car or a bungalow. We're from a very simple family.
Okay.
But later on, like my father actually had all his business in Hyderabad. So as a kid, I used to come to Hyderabad, stay in Green Park with him. He was into trading in pharmaceuticals. From there, our family started doing very well. So I mean, always cheptaru na intlo money anni Hyderabad lone vastundi. All the money comes from Hyderabad in our house, I think. My dad and me, both of us have a major work coming from Hyderabad.
Did they accepted? I mean, this field for you. I mean, in the
So my
starting
dad,
process?
being Bengali parents, so like our culture, Bengali culture, in Bombay especially, Bombay culture is very different from Telugu culture. You know, like the parents, like fathers, are very modern in Bengali. Firstly, they will want their girl to be very independent. Girl
nice,
independent
nice.
is super important. They will teach you since you're a child that you have to be independent. Marriage is not important first. First, you should be financially independent. Na mummy, daddy, na like chinnappudu nunchi they had always taught me this.
Okay.
So ade na mind lo untundi, and they said that never depend on anybody. Even if you're old age also, don't depend on anybody. Secure yourself all your life. So studies and career very important in our family. Like my father was like, do whatever you want, first finish your main basic education, so that any time in life you can go back to it. Ade chala important. And tarvata, they're very modern parents. I have very, very modern. We used to watch movies together. We used to watch MTV together at that time. My father's favorite actress is Jennifer Lopez. So so I have the coolest father in the world and the coolest mother in the world. Like
Okay.
I'm so lucky to have such parents that I can go and tell them anything that I want.
Okay. Okay.
If I went on a dinner date with someone, I actually call my father and tell him, Papa, you know, he was like this, he was like that, he was this. I know in Telugu culture you cannot tell your parents.
Yeah.
But here, so what happened? Because of that, I never hide anything.
Yeah.
I never did anything wrong. and I myself don't feel like doing drugs or drinking too much or smoking. I don't even smoke, nothing. So I myself don't feel like doing it because I have so much freedom my parents gave me. So they said that they don't have a narrow minded mentality. So I come from that upbringing. Like if I see a girl or a man, I won't judge him from his clothes, I will judge him from his character. But people judge a person's character from their clothes. that is a very this thing, predominant thing. But I don't come from that thought only. So that has been my upbringing.
Hi, this is Radhakrishna Kumar. Please subscribe to India Glitz Telugu.
Hi, this is Varsha Boldama. Please subscribe to India Glitz Telugu.
హాయ్ దిస్ ఇస్ బండ్ల గణేష్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఇండియా గ్లిడ్జ్ తెలుగు.
చూస్తూనే ఉండండి ఇండియా గ్లిక్స్ తెలుగు.
నేను పృథ్వీరాజ్ అండి. మీ అందరికీ 30 years ఇండస్ట్రీ అని తెలుసు. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఇండియా గ్లిజ్ తెలుగు.